asset na moja die mu afisa be ka say e de radio ase na TF ase abindo bi we kusutie on e be chia won na ya da won aso say abindo bi aso tie
all right and ya beba na ya ba be din komo na ye be share nkomo na say efinisi endra first semi-final said hot oven offla Okoman yenko kata 2022 yeguso aka nefu anan na ye de dwumedie ni nyina aba na wie ye kurekure mu bia enti ye proud sponsors wo mon so bo adwuma papa de so yasen amani oma etumi akonkan aka nefu anan na ye de dwumedie ni nyina eba na wie Okoman arena ene nwumre ye behia pa ene nwumre ye behia said endra da ye no endra pe ni behwe ewo Okoman arena Okoman yen anim hei ubepie mu a giant screen kese pa enipa efri chichire ne benche ebu otwi eje kirada eba be pie mu ewa ha no na nika papa bro ni beka ne say it was fun and endra enjoy together each year no tournament no together emmanuel my konkan Black Stars abafie ntem na mum wo mu aka ne de yenso ye bekoso ataye chire ni nyina e boost wars economy we are seeing nyina economy e boost say dollar no e ba fam kakra eke we hu dollar no e ba o
dollar no
I say no ye hu ya ye din yo
asat I pay Nigerian 12 cities 55 pesos. The original mid-general. Anambo say na 15.
Ebe.
We Christmas no.
Ebe.
Ebe bumper say ebe, but na count say na 3 cedi pesos.
Ebe. And IMF who say one more dey krata ba bontin.
Say.
Inti am share no dollar ne dey say.
IMF scan am $4
say ye dey be boost ni ama.
Old be boost ni ade.
Yes. Ye dey be boost ni ama. Yes, ye dey be boost ni ama. Ajubrel. Ni o ma be kon.
Scan am ma araba.
Say ne dey eke.
Akubi aba o genge part to Jubilee House.
Yeah, football transfer now say mutual agreement.
So one last hour. Rafinha and Barcelona and Chelsea.
Mutual agreement. This is say ne dey. Solo.
Krobea.
BBI fine.
Oba de adom. BBI boko.
Endra enyumre no ai ba na BBI kama.
BBI boko. Nyame adom. BBI de.
The baby girl no ho ye.
Nyame adom no ho ye.
Or the Rose Adobia won. Akonobia. Rose Akonobia. Inti Bibia be fine. Why?
All right.
Bibia be fine. Bibia be fine. The next 5 minutes solo. Ana me nyane say mum. Me nyane say the next 10 minutes solo. Fa yemremu 10 minutes no ye hwe ndra game a Croatia ene Argentina eselema the world game a one boy no and how Argentina to me maneuver their way through to the grand finale. Ni ahwe ne Croatia yen African contingent a womu gine musoli edema the African continent no ye mehwe womu modern ball and I think the nyina ye support womu ne France na airbo yenhwe how womu so ebetumi a prepare this year the defending champions France and so the bookie womu ticket for the grand finale. Yenhwe sa game no in the next 10 minutes.
All right. Krobea am das minchi ona minti etifo and so enewie. Endra Argentina enya da needed results no 3-0 e qualify e grand finale. Two teams no that game ni mo ya there. Two teams no na before mbewura game ni mo no na mo modern mo no there was sort of that our tournament in men especially Argentina over bola na Lionel Messi ebo this time around our World Cup tournament you egu ni mo a na ya there yes na ni abrese trophy no betumi age me share two coaches no almost starting 11 no and woko omani dey Croatia omunya Livakovic and other goal post no more ono ani goalkeeper tournament we buy no no starting the modern money there was from Obojiranovic Lovren and Josko Vardoni Sosa and so we chiro no and omo anso na ebo edema Croatia man oba infinity one mo Mateo Kovacic Luka Modric na fe Marcelo Brozovic omo so ebo edema omani de Croatia and obo Pasalic Kamarik and afe Van Perisic almost any players are ebe ni mo no a ɔmo anso na ɛbɔ nti wokɔ ɔmo ya ne deɛ de Croatia fam ɔmo anhyɛ dan yɛ nsakra yɛ biara saa ɛwɔ ɔmo starting 11 nim and ɔmo usual formation ɛno anam bɔ yɛ 4-3-3 formation ɛna ɔmo de ewura mu ɛnso etumi ɛbɔ yɛ yɛkɔ ɔmo ya ne deɛ de Argentina Emiliano Martinez ɛda goal post nim ɔbɔ Molina ɛne abrante ne de Cristiano Romero Otamendi na afei Tagliafico na ɛbɛka sɛ ɔyɛ player ɔbɛhyɛ anan ɛwɔ Acuna area hɔ no because almost start a fit group stage ni na no na yɛ Acuna ɛna na ɛbɔ Tagliafico bɛbɛ mu a ɔfiri bench ɛna ɛba no midfielder ɛyɛ Rodrigo de Paul ɛna abrante ne de Paredes ɛnso ɛbɔ mfimfini wɔ bi ɛna ɛyɛ Enzo Fernandez ɛna afei McAllister ɔmo ne mmerante ɛnan a ɔmo nso ɛhyɛ mfimfini wɔ ɛde ɛma Argentina na ɔbɔ Messi Alvarez 4-4-2 formation mɛka sɛ Lionel Scaloni ɛhu bibi because sɛ wohwɛ ɔmo ya ne deɛ de Croatia ɔmo game a ɔmo bɔ a Modford no because of sɛ ɔmo abɔ mo ho akyɛ na ɔmo to ɔmo ho ase nti ɔmo ɛɛbɔ a pressure bi ɛni ɔmo so Lionel Scaloni ɛhu sɛ so ɔno nso ɛkɔ da mfimfini mmiɛnsa na Croatia betwa afɔm so nti ɔde Leandro Paredes ɛba bɛka ho ɛma ɔno city deep ɛwɔ midfield ɛka Rodrigo de Paul ɛne abrante a ne de ɛnso yɛtumi yɛde ɛyɛ Enzo Fernandez ɛho ɛna ndra yɛhu bɔɔl a Enzo Fernandez ɛbɔɔyɛ ɛwɔ mfimfini hɔ ɛde ɛma Argentina Leandro Paredes ɛyɛ player tournament wɛn hyɛ da ɛmfeva ne yɛ ɔba tournament wɛn no ɔbɛ mu as ɛyɛ substitute ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Argentina fam but ndra coach ne go in say ɔbɛ start no no de naba bɛka midfield no na yɛ 4 midfielders ɛwɔ mfimfini hɔ ɛde ama Argentina and that ɛyɛ tactics a ɛyɛ Lionel Scaloni ɛyɛ no ɛne ne adeɛ baako etumi ɛboa Argentina and sɛnea ne yɛnim Croatia man no sɛ ɔmo previous games a na ɔmo ɛbɔ ni na no ɔmo sit back especially ɛyɛ ɔmo wura knockout stage no ɔmo sit back ɛma ɔmo opponent no ɛmo dominate play no ma rely on counter attack but ndra nkɔba ne saa ɛsesa yɛ ɛma Argentina mo ewura game ne mo sɛ ɔmbɛ allow Croatia man no ɔmo matumi a possess ball no ɔmo abɔ ball no dodoɔ na ɔmo mo sit back na ɔmo agye ball no I rely on counter attack ɛde ahyɛ ɔmo ya ne dey ɛnso ɛde Croatia ɛna ndra ɛyɛ adwuma ɔhɛ penalty ɛbaayɛ ɛde ɛma Argentina na yɛ ade a emu yɛ den ɛde ɛma ɔmo ya ne dey ɛde Croatia ɔmo ball yɛ ɛkɔ ɔmo anim Argentina fo gye ball ne baayɛ ɛna ɔmo rely on counter attack ɛna that penalty ne ɛbaayɛ Messi di nya first goal second goal na abrante ne dey ɛde ɛyɛ Julian Alvarez ɛnso nya de ma Argentina no ɛyɛ Argentina second goal no yɛ na yɛ hu baabi a wɔfa ball no ɛde free yɛ pass ne from defense ɛna baayɛ bɛka ne nsa ɛwɔ center line hɔ no ɛfa ball na ɛkɔ ya ɛtwe defenders no ɛno wɔhwɛ experience defender bi te sɛ Dejan Lovren ɔkɔ na ndra ɔfa so a defender na Josko Vador ɛnso ababenya ne fine tournament ɛwɔ ɛyɛ World Cup wɛ mu ɛba no performance a watumi ama yɛ bi wakyerɛ sɛ ɔno nso betumi ayɛ bibi ɛnso ɛwɔ ɛyɛ football mu and from RB Leipzig na nka wɔba obi anhyɛ dan nim no because sɛ wo de ne toto center backs a etumi ɛba World Cup yi a compare ɔno to Brazil ɔmo center backs no even abrante ne de da Militao kora no to me Josko Vador mɛka sɛ yɛn afɛ ɛnso yɛne ɛda Militao in terms of central defensive game but ohwɛ modern man ɔno nso ɛbɛda ne de tournament yi mu a ɛndra ball ɔbɔɔyɛ no ɛkyerɛ sɛ na ɔmo modern mo no ɛwɔ fam the whole team performance no ɛwɔ fam because no ɔmo ahyia coach a ɛba ne tactics a ɔde tactics no go fam ɔkyerɛ sɛ yes ɔno nso betumi ayɛ adwuma no efiti the year 2018 a yɛde adwuma no de ma da ɛyɛ Scaloni sɛ ɔnyɛ adwuma no mfam Argentina no na dodoɔ no anhyɛ da ni gyidie wɔ ne mu even yɛbɔ World Cup wei koraa no dodoɔ no anhyɛ da ni gyidie but ndra ɔkyerɛ yɛ ɔstarted from Netherlands game no ɛkyerɛ sɛ yes Netherlands kita an experienced coach a ne deɛ de Louis van Gaal a ɔba obetumi abɛyɛ bibia ama win no akɔ de ama Netherlands but ɔtoa so ɛbɔ adwuma ɛma ɔsiesie ni defense no against Netherlands ɛno ne ade yɛtumi ɛbɔ Argentina baako though omunya 2 goals Emma Netherlands ebete there, but when the central defense Nicolas Otamendi any Christian Romero coach ne trans who say some central defenders in the against Netherlands on to rely on them and to the Lisandro Martinez ebeka ho and then draw essentially one fan co defense name what the Bewura mu Medford at the Paradise Asante beka Medford and then Juma at the Argentina Lionel Messi as a now all-time top scorer our World Cup history at the Argentina 11 goals before Messi ever this year tournament now I share 6 goals our World Cup previous 4 tournament I work on in and now 6 goals but this season the we 5 goals and so tournament emu say yes this time around Messi focus ni na say oba beji trophy because ye na ye can say we bet my the last tournament World Cup all bo Ediama Omaya the Argentina and any abre say obey bibi and so to me Ediama Argentina Messi performance there won't to me for bibi and describe because baller Messi yeah boy and dra wa bo near say I'm a young but and so or sign ABM and one modern one to me make us say best player in the tournament Messi winning for in advance or to me winning that award in advance and found Argentina budget trophy and as Argentina engine the performance to me a conkai it's to me a Argentina and Lionel Scaloni coach no such say yes a banum South America yepe coaches are omuye adwuma pa na omaya ni de Argentina into benyo obi te say coach and de Mauricio Pochettino say oye adwuma oba Tottenham na Tottenham nko ba bia or the amoko what Champions League final oko Atletico Madrid obenya Diego Simeone ono so ya tutu ni ma wo ho e de Atletico Madrid or the oma winning couple of trophies or the Omaji Europa League trophies or the Omaji La Liga or the Omaji Champions League or modern mono there so yeah coaches was South America Argentina and then drop Lionel Scaloni and so actually say yes the modern mono and so there was and then Morocco say obey record Africa country bia and so to me enye bida and the modern mono of him say ebetumi akonkan for the first time an African country Europe and so was semi-finals World Cup Morocco dey no ma in 88 years Morocco omomode mono mention dan ko kan World Cup tournament but this time around we was semi-final for the first time and even or qualify quarter final no the first time and or two asom another history edi was semi-final and to mesia share so mesia to asom another history so about first African country wa qualify and so World Cup finals and game na dem idea emu beden and we France a country be a ban World Cup now yes ye bodian ye ka da be ye ka tournament no ye won aman bia enimu into ubeka Argentina, Obeka Brazil, Obeka Uruguay, Obeka Germany, Obeka Italy, Obeka France, Obeka Spain din yara tournament World Cup no in them countries way and a bad say country from ebetumi awuram ababaje no si baako into Benya Croatia ebedu baby no aba finals now awuram semi final mu ansa na sa countries bia yembo mu di enfam bata World Cup no mo ba and no age what team na che and also when your teamwork no ansa modern boy conquer and France we team ekito the budget 2018 and a lot na it was squad in squad no do no and so ya dia wom make us Pogba Abranta ni dey Igor Kante any players eba no Medford na elusu she dey nim and so hono but wo hwe modern man team na eba na perform here and France awon nyina no enim ho so your good defense minim say Abranta ni dey Opamecano ebetumi aba because Andra o me say out to training oni Andre Rabiot omo me say out a training over France almost so catching so me say any game no so 2 players we able to me about but Oyo Pamecano and Rafael Varane omo ball na omo body ma omo need the France no omo partnership no te aseni nya my understanding no enya adwuma ye enso wo omo ye team no akache omo full backs no so yehu Abrante and the enso etumi adi Julius Kounde ono so few matches be our chance start here at the my country no yehu no ni awotumi ye yehu Theo Hernandez ni all ye and ye ban Medford France Medford no ye beka se debia no 4 teams are qualified equal semi-final no omo nekita West Medford because over Chouameni now over Andre Rabiot ne ya drop it Antoine Griezmann Asante na ba beka Medford no one Griezmann ye name no or no the type of football no more into offense or attack more than so over dropping no and na Medford but still France for the year juma at the year come when Morocco team no ye team be omo ye tactically disciplined and only idea juma de Morocco for omo secret na no omo ye tactically disciplined juma na omo ye no omo ti coach na say coach ne so ti players na say and players ne so ti coach ne tactics no and so ase and omo ko on the field of player ni a coach na tro omo so omo nkokoye no and no omo ye ye and individual brilliant no so ade etumi eboa omo ya de Morocco Hakim Ziyech Ashraf Hakimi and Abrante ni de Sias omo modern no konkan Amrabat e Medford wo ono so the modern money ade a etumi eboa omo ya de enso de Morocco bofa enso enam right wing one at the airboa Morocco and by even attack one Al Nazri a player or a top notch striker though you said who goes no be dear but man that chance no man that space now obey to me at the ayo near me and then any question I may ask me one say Morocco defense ni betumi agina France attack no anymore na because I know say Morocco betumi aye bibi normal come anymore I just say France of attack no almost so etumi break home and we hear the likes of Olivier Giroud Kylian Mbappe ball a omo ebo omo partnership no ade a ano aye den ade ama omo ya ni din ade France and omo 2 players no ama ye be 8 goals tournament in Mbappe even 9 Giroud were 4 and Mbappe and so 5 until 2 players now my 9 goals tournament in them on modern money there was so and so Morocco able to me qualify aqua finals and that's to me bibia I just say some players me anyway omo to me yi omo e the free game them na omo match omo yi e chiro no and say the Morocco no games on my body na no wa consider 1 goal per and that 1 goal now wa consider no enumpo on goal ene to me buy that is so omo opponent be to me for ball and to net but France and so previous matches now my ball before our babesha Morocco no e be o consider and to say no be adwuma and the Morocco will go e game win and say defense Morocco so defend up to and then no consider just a goal then put your own goal no say no so be adwuma and then that say Morocco ahead of the France and no to me carry day no I qualify I finals for the first time
paradise and I or the and some modwedwemu and drag him across so any and they are to me aba obema akasa di nature so baba kon we ntem na voices no yam blending no kama emfama yan listeners na bibia anya kama AJ Ozedea
Krobea
na urefi wo ana
Debbie
be serious be serious
set me ti AK na me ti manti J no next time stress on it na okay kajua because I confuse me kakra yo Krobea yes edikan mama say nchia ya hwefo na etifo nyina eba Okoman Global Sports so and ye don't want see Andra seriously I was impressed Andra mitumenia at the back sena supporters by on be semi-finals no ewo Okoman Arena no It was so lovely in tea. And that's ECG almost on my light off. Biumna, a parky. Because I have parky sing across for stadium.
Yeah,
I say Premier League no for stadium.
Oh, since I started in the same numbers, no.
Oh no,
okay, but I say and run the larger part, yes, and run the larger part, and it was due to.
Light off.
Some yes, let me say that. But
can you buy a crass and still?
Sure. So yeah, that almost
and that's almost ambra. Aha. Now me say nya Croatia for ye me nya at all because Croatia no they've been very impressive when it comes to World Cup. Obi say Croatia dear. They'll get to the semi-finals or second. In Tiendra, I was expecting them to give Argentina a game boot for boot. But looks like the one way of the coaches say, Obe relaxiama, no Obeba when it gets to me and Shen within the full 90 or plus minute, then you go on to extra time penalties. I think that's their mind for all games. But you don't approach every game like that. Because who Argentina coach now? In the lineup no cry, it was to meet the Croatian team because of the midfield center ability honum. And for the Croatian coach to just relax, think and say every game should go to penalties. So you can't be lucky all the time. And then Drasus, a Croatian goalkeeper, no, he had a bad day, starting from the set penalty. I said set because till now I'm not convinced it was a penalty though. Set penalty now, man or then who can keke. And I am away, but it's all part of football. And they didn't have a good day yesterday. It's so sad because I'm expecting to say, of course, on my idea, they've always been there when it comes to World Cup, going to the semis, trying to play a 10 and 4. So I was hoping at least the trophy there, they'll lift it. But football is not what you want or what you hope. I'll grow any form. Argentina too should say yes. This time we need to take the trophy. I think this is their second in a mobile final. Messi,
yes,
second
time or the Mwaba in 2014 or the Womoko finals Germany winning trophy no, and now 2018 or the Womu drew semi-finals.
They know how it is like to play finals. Yeah. So whoever wins today's game, I'm not sure Argentina is going to sit down and watch them because they know how it feels like or know how it's painful for you to lose a final. And Argentina team now, what say Obi pese oye bibia, they are not a team. They are just there. They approach game beer with much seriousness. This latter part, I think the only game Ubesha Gracia. Sometimes when you bet it too, that was a Saudi Arabia team now. Or the year week Akribi. I think that was when they started picking up. And for Argentina to get to the finals, it's not by fluke. It's by hard work and the tactical game too. And whoever wins today, dear, would face Argentina. Croatia should go and come again. Coming to today's game, which is France, Morocco, our brothers Morocco, African, as an African, I'll support Morocco, even though it's going to be tough. Yes, I'll support Morocco. But Morocco coach knows me, Jinidi, because the mentality of the players, I think I read it say, or see, why is the Africans, people feel, say, the way we play the ball. They've never been to the finals, and now within the semi-finals, the African can do it. So anything is possible if you want to do it. Anything is possible. And I was saying, Morocco to me handle France easy. The previous game that France played, on say England for no, they handled Mbappe. He's a star boy, ain't he? Walker no, not in the far. So I think these boys can handle Mbappe, and you shouldn't just put it in your mind. Say Mbappe Nkwana obi to me. Mbappe, to say Messi say if you're around him or pass a ball for somebody to score. So if you're only your aim is only to be on the star player on the field, obi Nkwana and kai for normal fountain, then they go and score. And the Moroccan coach Ziyech and co should come on board, meet these players. They should forget that they are the defending champions. They can beat them, and when they beat them and get to the finals, forget Messi. They should try and lift the trophy. To be a first time African will do that. And Krobea, okay. Yeah, everything so far so good.
All right. And Adwa opoku ehonam anaende wajujemwa kama ama ni omanso to me akonkan ehomeko senior ona senior so to me ayeno quick head ya mama na bibia and so I come senior
Krobea
yankwe
Ebeko so etia etiefo. Krobea wo hwe ndra game na expectation ye high because of ni ayehu from the start of the game. Ye be wure mu round of 16, ye ba 8, afa ye ba 4 no. Na ni ayehu no na ma ye na ye dey hope and I say obi anya agidi say in this battle no and I say Croatia and Argentina e be tough. But another coach sinima yehu say no. Si yeba coach and I see yeba tactics coach beyond the way I approach any game because we share Argentina from the start of this tournament olusu in the first match na obia fele say bibia esi amawon na coach ni nya the attitude to starting fresher of tactics fufura or the share game no ase na oboya the abedu semi-final ni expect say the way Croatia for so ebo futi group stage already qualify ebe we round of 16 from round of 16 ye the we 8 obo semi-final no na ye say the way obobo no na obetimi den asesem but I say you can the way Croatia for the bad this tournament no this game game no amwa because you know say in way of Croatia no Ojama opponent ni momu dictate ball ni nyina we were making sure say oje ball na obe ma account na so o ma kwa ma money ya opese obo but o hwe na game na coach ni opino ma Croatia funu moma omo dictate pitch no ball ni nyina nti bo hwe ball na o na akopego because we yen wadwe say in the early stage no yen pego na yen fa den yen go ni na ga set back but amoya won tango woni ba won so na Argentina for den ahye won 2 ama fe na ayese ahon prepare na wo pese what Argentina fe wonya kwan den embo ball e wose obo ntinira no wo hwe se ne yeka na Argentina coach no oya de yen fa credit ni na man because who say no si ebo tana aga si ebo 3 man bag won finfini a ade a yentimi experience aye Croatia funu tie ntie fa ba ko meka won na force na be ya betimi ntino ne be ka say nira no the best in Argentina we ne betimi ka say history betimi repeat ne hu say Spain olusu ni first match in 2010 no otimi ba be cup nti bi betimi asi Argentina side na American Krabea na den e be kire yen hwe ene match no Morocco and France ye be ka say Morocco and France team bi a wa be share enede ya wo hwe France yade a owo experience wo World Cup ma waje and wasen aje biem expect obasen aje nti wo hwe oye san ye obi osen kuri na osan de ode aba obe na say obetime aje back to back but wo hwe ne boy no obona ne student ne ye kan na say agina anymore wo hwe one England na what stop Mbappe and Dembele no na afiri ball ni na wenti mbo kwaya ko itankwa Griezmann timi call wins ultimi call cross Oliver Giroud nti ka sei nti se ne no se ya hwe the way Morocco fo no so ebo ball na this time na kwaya se Croatia fi se wo mo bobo ni na but we je ball na won make sure so betiti petini bi won so ball nti won suro bia se wo timi nya one rhythm and na ebe din ama ye France for because ebe din say Morocco funu be jawo say but mbobo ni abati be dia ma won be say botimi dey penalty ewura won ye 18-yard ball na akobɔ short ase won coach goalkeeper na ma ye say ba ball na saves ni ade a oyade into ni be say ene match no ye na ye say ye African ye na ye feel say African should go to final na in the first time no ye ntimi encourage the trophy in favor Africa no timi be mu say be ye ntino ye nka say ene match ni ye de yan hodin bia be jai amanwure ni atua so anwumre
okay enti no senior ano so aka kakra ho no mo no ye bepa na ene ye quick no asan sha ase efisem no because ene no yenye ni pepepe ebreso a obetumi afre enso de abeka simedu ni asori jumeji ni so 0205 818748 0205 818748 enene line onso obetumi afre eka simedu ni asori jumeji ni so a na ene wetumi afre abana ni o metumi ai kama WhatsApp text message no enso obetumi dia fa 020 0270 191971 0270 191971 na bibia to me aye kama okay yen quick but I think say anka obi to me I just square or ene game ni pa na lot ana wo maka e we ndra game no ana say ne obe ye bia be 30 seconds bi ni yenhwe Yusuf Bazigi yɛsan de na back bio sɛ ɛnɛ yi yɛgya wagyagye mu abɛyɛ na adwuma no nneɔma yɛnkɔ nkan enti waba Black Princesses ɔba abɛgye ɛne Endra defamatory statement a Ghana Football Association ɔne ne mpanimfoɔ de aba abɔnten with regards to comment bi a may use yɛ especially the media fraternity yɛ make on the FA and that of our senior national team, the Black Stars of Ghana.
Well, Krobea, I think that my other colleagues na make I do my justice to Enra game in any then to maybe see na me the local issues now with France and Morocco. No, I'm tipping Morocco to win by 1-0. A tough game, but I'm tipping Morocco to win 1-0. You see, Bazigi, you're pointing at Black Princesses, right? Head coach. You know, it's about women football in Ghana. You see, Bazigi, no doubt in terms of coaching or pedigree, you know. But I think Sanke, to me, the new realm where the Black Queens are because of late, you ensure who Black Queens, no. You ensure until Munkaye. It's with the experience of what gather from the under 17 to under 20, and the new realm of Black Queens, and Kebeboa, I'm revive Black Queens, and be yenya obaby ex footballers be ma be wa omo coaching course na as been into coaching to empower them no ye di omo wura mu ho and I think say no be much better than always keeping you see Bazigi under 20 under 20 or 20. I don't think say a right idea and as a right decision. And yem fan question Black Queens unya those upcoming coaches ni bia also they under 17 and under 20 man na dey e dey more na what me as strength na empower mo send be almost no yamaka come in the football no and also no let me abo mo that's a quick one you see Bazigi FNC media man and a journalist via Bekasafa FA no Black Star brand you know
yes
FA executive member now one can you know you're over court right sana statement in your
yes. Any social media posts
okay
yeah. Social media posts from tablet media about press media
time so no
press media
we just say no until them come asem Ghana Football Association on say the Ghana Football Association to Ghana it means the association belongs to Ghanaians. The senior national team, the Black Stars of Ghana, it means that the Black Star belongs to Ghanaians and yet FA and you'll be there. So the FA net one Keto Kreku, Prosper Arsenado, what I'm for friends, Henry Asante Chum. Omun to me in country young Ghana for sending a Black Star in fact. Omun to me in country in some young Canva Black Star no because any Black Star be Black Star no not the FA. Taxpayers money. Taxpayers money yes. Omutuya yes yetuya. Omutuya tax yes yetuya tax. So the FA can't tell us what to do or what to say about the Black Stars. We are not, or we won't insult them. There'll be insult them. But constructive criticisms, Anna Maxwell Asabre kind Ghana happen and criticize yes, where did he attempt? We will criticize the FA, including Keto Kreu. He personally, will criticize him, the administration, because Obeji Ejumani Free Baby, and Obeka say, Obey ni say, into any anko year, I see a bonity so. I see a catcher in his anko year. Black Star Kobo tournament, 2 weeks. Ubina can ask him, I spending $8 million in 2 weeks. Ombezi Ebeka ask him. Black Star Kobo World Cup, Yentimi and qualify. Oh, catcher say, Meme Yen can ask him. Wabo o de babara mana ko tournament wanya de yesi memfane ko de nako wanya de o mbese be kan asem wa select players one free bi e di entina one free won tumi fan chiche mu mai o mbese be kan asem FIFA Go project sika ye hu ne yeko o kire se Ghana qualified to call workers sika e benya free o de be ko women's football o de be ko coaches mu o de be ko Premier League Division 1 ya de on fan ko ye you expect us to be quiet no into one prepare lawyers no so more one am ko pay bin kan so more one am ko pay bin kan because some of us the FA will put them on their toes. We will criticize them constructively. No insult there be yen did you be at them because Ghana nangaze attemdidi yemfa ye ho ade. Even the president of the land, Nana de Danko Akufo-Addo, we criticize him, don't we? Dollar no cost no criticize Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, His Excellency the president. Yeah, go massive. The finance minister, don't we tell the finance minister say economy in into firu on resigning and also onye niyama. How much for the Ghana Football Association president? Is he bigger than the president, or is he bigger than the country, or is he bigger than our football? No. You better catch and send it here or share or tionti ni almost on go catch and go country ni say me eke me say ni amana nko yi a you better and anko yi so and you know be oh you come and put your food in our mouth now expect say be like you buto no who say it you better at the end of time you be we don't care but senior me what for say don't get ya kan I say you just can go to court and you can and on the obi de no court on the winning case sky ejema no go see that children him sabe kwase yabinti if you criticize you asem nya na ye canom so de be court defamatory statement we are ready for them. They should also know that amoti on a taxpayers money need to amuka keto kreku enye no botom ska o ministry need to yanaka or the Ghana for taxpayer tax ayatete na kaka na need to yanaka. Black Star ne ko tournament Okoman ho onko ministry no onko jisika arena omoko world cup no one can say oh me na me FA president me bottom zika my Black Star ne dey akọ world cup. That's one and oba can say me criticize oh am me analyze issues concerning the FA ye be ye see on tie ne ye beka. I'm not saying that we will insult them, but we will criticize them, we will put them on their toes, we will make sure say the right thing must be done. And you know me it doesn't make sense to me. Defamatory one, it doesn't make sense to me. As a country, one criticize one put you leaders on the toes. The right thing and so more minor and tumpon. You see democracy, you practice democracy. So we make sure we criticize devoid of insults.
Yes.
Devoid of insults.
O criticize ya now why ye.
That's what I'm saying. We will criticize them constructively, devoid of insults. Obi eno ye be din Okoman kura de yenso so. Wa ba better be di penyi bi atam yenso so. And you know. But we will criticize them constructively.
Yes, and Eki, we mainly concerned about false information you put it out there.
Yeah. I'm mentioning false information. Yeah, they have to one thing. When you call the PRO of the Ghana, the communication director of the Ghana Football Association, Opano no kasa. Omo ni selected media houses, omo kasa omo granting interview to them. And omo go see you, your friend is saying. Journalist, your friend saying. Journalist not say omo kwaje your friend saying. Them if you walk away, journalists also no Cameroon for music and Molina. I'm going to see you there. Send a false statement.
No. Sabri ubetumi afre abeche wadwen ojumedi so ubetumi afre lines no opened.
They are just confused. They are just confused.
0205 818 748 0205 818 748. Lines no opened ubetumi afre now so wetumi aba abeche wadwen 0205 818 748. AJ say who kasana wan kasa ya chill.
Yeah. And they said GFA say you can criticize, but and the most important thing is they are protecting the brand Black Stars and not almost protecting because ebimuma false information about Black Stars and
hello. Good afternoon. Would you baby Okasa free?
Krobea, good afternoon. Okasa free daja.
My intio.
Okay. Yeah, we will know today.
And now Okasa na wan kase ya becho. All right. Yenu ana humano went to me engineer so yo. Yeah.
Buy no. whatever transpired, I think they need to voice it out to Ghanaians. So that means nature and kaso we be use way and now we use sika way. So what you say? I think that is it. Interna or mobile out. So I think that can solve this problem. And I think to some media houses no, and some of them kafa brand new no. And said you see. I do fear I do fear and now you can't be washing your dirty linen to outside. So what I say? In the Ghanaian home, you fear and you cry, you fear. You don't project to the outside wash. And you call Nigeria, your pictures no. They be too abundant for everybody to see. Say your pictures in here. A warm saying yeah, your car saying yeah, a warm saying yeah. But yeah, we shouldn't wash our dirty linen outside so much. And you're fair. So what you say? Sabi Morocco now mo kase hoye fe krano. I'm not sure so everything is 100% correct over there. So I think you have to protect the brand. That's the most important thing. See, I side with the GFE.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Wow, uchu tibia omumbo.
Okay.
So what I say?
Okay. It's no, I don't know. I say, I side with the F, you know, and then they will be criticizing on a very bad note, you know. Na woman so Emra enu etumi edu betumi asa frɛ obɛfrɛ about 0205818748 0205818748 frɛ na bɛkyerɛ wadwen enso ɛwɔ nsɛm solo yɛbɛkyi wo
me ɛkyɛ do kra de sa no kra na yɛ ka ɛno nko ade yɛnsuro ho asɛm ami anɔpa mi tie adwa papa.
Yeah.
Some make out a drama power with the power. We tie no Kesben. I say, yeah, sorry, you can you pay at the farm. And then maybe a trim now GF, you know, even sponsorship cry at den at the moment, so be yambi because of say you can't hold somebody in tea. But they say, I'm buy no more administration or my yama. They say, what the whole crowd now, the sponsorship, a point, tea, can't be the farm in ya. And yet, as I say, brand no, send ya on Mokekano. But Krobea, I'm near no Ukrainian. Obi be no better answer say. Yen preface blasters to me that way, and yet Frefracobo team, and yet they tournament. Not Ghana Football Association, any management committee, ever solid now. I go politicians you I go catch almost say. Yet the team way you know, I got your trophy aba. I also you know prefer say yay. Born a year cobon a year bo papebi. Yakwako for Inaki Williams, Eddie free Spain, Tarek Lamptey, Eddie free England. 2 weeks per and do a blasters camp. Yes, yeah, the Omquaja cap. Ye. Yes, something no credit yen can and try your home. 2 weeks po. Inaki Williams still 2 way. Blasters players no be any move. Or Atletico Madrid, Atletico Bilbao. Omune ni say Inaki. So what the ball to ha obenyano. Bisa deda you nini Jordan you. Bisa Thomas Tepa say Inaki Williams and you know any move de fa. As omo the ball to ha. Omo jiri say Inaki Sabeka. Ye na ye match blaster matches. Inaki na mbenkum na ball na mnifa. Enti ene ye ka say etia boy ni say onya wa sa. But you know, no, you can't say, ne how. And you know, and I was a Timunanka saying, Uncle ye. And the near Manuko ya, Yabeka, Uncle ya,
Obeka, and
and that's a papa Musu Yakan, and I'm making Obi
with evidence based.
Example, I'm setting evidence
a brand. Montanis.
The brand of the Black Star, the Black Star brand.
Yes,
don't
use words.
Obiasa, where the Ben replace you?
Me guess what San Krobea.
Where the Ben replace
on that particular maybe
okay, Baba man and
Yadi. I say Ankon Kangen Drew said Yana.
Black Star into Black Stars as a
so what you say?
Say I call my me mammy be birthday. Madam Helen Jido, your friend of mom or Sani the friend and then the birthday happy birthday and confirm baby will be a yame and Shannon or Yanaka say on to no condemn.
Okay. aha na ebra kwame ya de dwumedie no nyina enso etumi ede aba ne wi Okoman Global Sports afternoon edition no ana ye de aba ne wi no ye soro so ama kenkan me omo agi wo egu a wo nso ede dwumedie no nso no eba be to aso ama yen ho executive producer Yenra Kofi Anson ba for HOD Nana Kofi Okore Ajman AK senior on duty Soro Paradise sanso ana eneno adwo poku opokua ehonam ana DJ Zigibi DJ Vibes DJ Donzi womu nyina boy ama dwumedie no etumi ekonkan mitinemu edema AK midin eye Krobea Asante enwumre 7 pm 6:30 pepepe na waba be jewegwa ewo koma nanim he ya yeyi game no live Morocco enso ene France ana ebo 7 pm sharp live commentary on your dial Okoman Radio 97.1. Good afternoon.